regulating lotteries and funding for impact since 1999. The National Lotteries Commission is empowering communities today for a better future. The NLC has distributed over 25 billion to good causes. We are changing lives.